everyone, I'm sorry for this awful lighting. We've got Julie holding up a flashlight for me. Welcome back to my channel. I look grim, as we can tell. Oh, hello, focusing. Yeah, I look grim, as we can all tell. We've got mascara under my eyes. I feel like I need a bit of a glow up. Also, look at my nails. They're grim. That's what today's video is. I'm going to be attempting to glow up because people wanted to glow up for summer, but I'm backwards and want to glow up for winter because that's what I do. So we are currently at Westfield. I'm going to go get my nails done because, yeah, it's the same on the other hand as well. It's grim, I know. Sorry about it. But that's what today's video is. I hope you guys do enjoy it. If you do, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new here. Turn my post notification bell as well, that way you don't miss any of my uploads. Woo. And yeah, let's attempt to go from looking like this to something hopefully a bit better. We shall see. It could backfire. Yeah, got to get my nails done before we do anything else. So let's go. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day. Sorry if it's echoey, I'm actually in my kitchen right now. It's like 12 o'clock now, I think. I just got out of the bath. I shaved everywhere, you know, as you do when you want to feel good. And I think it's now time to fake tan because, as I said, I've shaved, I've exfoliated. You want to make sure before you tan that you shave everywhere, that everything's just nice. I feel like fake tan is a thing that really takes you from like a 3 to like a solid 8. Not saying that I'm an 8 or anything. Like right now, I let myself get super pale for this video just because I wanted to show you guys like the full effect of tan. I never really let myself get this pale, but I've got literally 0 tan on right now. Good old pasty gal. Also my face is a bit red because I just got out the bath. Did that really weirdly, didn't I? But today I'm going to be using the Bali body products. I'm also going to be fake tanning my face. I don't fake tan my face all the time, but I do from time to time. It's like a special fake tan for your face. So we shall see how it goes. As I said, exfoliated. Also, you might want to moisturize around your elbows and collarbones and knees, ankles, wrists, here, just anywhere where there's like a bone or some more texture. I personally don't do this anymore because my skin's like really not dry. It's quite moisturized as it is, so when I add extra moisturizer, it just means the fake tan doesn't stick as well there as it does everywhere else. Maybe that's just me, tell me if I'm being dumb, but I would recommend doing that, especially if you have dry skin. Otherwise the fake tan will just cling there a little bit more. But yeah, we're going to be using the Bali body fake tan for your face and fake tan for your arms. I'll tell you the actual names of them when I do it because I can't remember off the top of my head. I just said fake tan for your arms, fake tan for your body, sorry. I think you need to stay on for like 4 to 6 hours. Normally I would do this when I am asleep, like that's what I'd recommend, like doing it overnight, but last night I actually stayed at a friend's house, so I didn't really want to just, you know, fake tan all over their house, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what we are going to do now. So I will take you upstairs to my bathroom and I will show you all the products and I will show you how I tan. This has been very requested. I don't know why, but it's been very requested. So here's what you've all been waiting for. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna crouch down. So yeah, Bali Body also do this fake tan mitt, which is actually really good quality. I love the sort of soft fabric ones. I've used a couple of them before, but this one also has a space for your thumb, which I've never seen before, which is quite cool. So yeah, the shade that I'm gonna be using today is dark. Don't know if it will focus. Maybe, I don't freaking know. Yeah, but the shade that I'm going to be using is dark. The instructions are on the back of it. It says to basically apply it, let it dry for 4 to 8 hours, and you can also reapply it after half an hour to make it darker, which I might do just to see the result. Let's start applying. I always like to start off with just like a pump, maybe a pump and a half. Okay, so I'm going to start off with that much. I'm just going to start applying it onto my right thigh. Let's go. Okay, so it has a little bit of a color guide, but what I can see from this is that it's not too dark, so I doubt it will transfer a lot, which is quite good. I'm gonna put a couple more pumps on. It is like quite a nice consistency. It is quite thick. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be drying too quick either, so you do have time to blend it in before it sets. So if we look in the color difference between my legs, if it's a little bit patchy, I'm sorry. I'm doing it all in the viewfinder of my camera. Literally, that's just gone on, and that is the color difference between my thighs already, which is quite good. I do one leg at a time just so I know where I've tanned and where I haven't, you know what I mean? I hate looking at my legs when they're pale. They're never pale. Me with this video was like, oh, but they're gonna see me pale. To be fair, you guys do see me pale all the time because I hardly ever fake tan my face. So I'm just going over my ankles now. I can't lie to you guys, I don't fake tan my feet very well. Cool, so that's that done. I might have to top it up when I look in the mirror. Let's go do this leg. That's one thigh. I'm gonna quickly finish off this leg off camera, then I'll be back to show you like my chest and everything. Okay, so I'm now just gonna go ahead and do my chest. Trying not to flash. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna take 2 pumps of this and just rub it all along, starting from my shoulders, just working it in. then out to the other one. I tend to find this area really tricky to do. If it looks a bit patchy, don't mind me. You can obviously moisturize it, but the issue is with me, I tended to find that when I moisturized it, it just ended up not sticking to my collarbones or shoulders. So that is actually why I stopped. Right, so now let's do this arm. Let's just show you guys. So don't forget to get like the bottom of it as well, and be careful around your elbows in the area. I also don't tend to do my hands at this stage. I tend to do my hands last, just with whatever extra product is on my mitt. I do it quite roughly. I just like to make sure that it's all blended in, and then I see if there's any patches that I've missed, which I can go over with extra tan. I tend to find with these tans that it will never look perfect until after you've washed them off. So I will come back to you guys in between 4 to 8 hours. And yeah, there's no streaks actually at the moment, which is really good, because normally before I wash it off I am a streaky mess, but right now I look okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do my back and then I'll show you guys how I do my face with the product. Okay, so it says to apply the face fake tan with a cotton pad just all over your face, like over exfoliated skin. Mine's clean and exfoliated, so let's do this now. I don't know how much I'm supposed to really apply. I've never used a face tan like water for my face before, but I am always in the market for a good one, so if this worked, it would be great. Okay, it's got anti-aging in it. It takes 4 to 6 hours to develop, so it should be ready the same time that the tan is. Apparently you can also put this on your décolletage. Yeah, I assume this is a slightly more gradual tan than the like foam, but yeah, I'll leave it on for 4 hours and see how I get on. I think that's it now. Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. I don't think I'm going to apply the second layer just because I'm quite liking how it looks. I don't want anything too intense. I will catch up with you guys in 4 hours to wash it off. Hey guys, sorry about the lighting. The lighting is really bad right now, but my face is actually a lot more tan than normal, which is cool. It looks way paler compared to my hands because obviously like the body tan would get darker, but this is the color before it's been washed off. Let me show you my face. So this is the color before it's been washed off. It's like probably a little bit darker than it will be, but it's like really nice. I'm actually very much enjoying this. Really streak free, and when I was sitting around all over the place, it didn't transfer. Normally, before I wash my tan off, gets absolutely everywhere. I'm gonna wash this off now and I will let you know what the final color is like. It's like 10:30, so I did leave it on for a full 8 hours. I'm gonna do my makeup and stuff in the morning. I was planning on doing it all today, but then I realized doing your makeup at 10 o'clock, a bit stupid and a bit of a waste. So we're gonna be doing it tomorrow, and I need a wee so bad, so let me go wee and then I'll update you guys. I just was, but yeah, let me wash this off. Sorry, my chin looks like really red. I might be getting a spot, I don't know. Let me wash this off and then I will show you guys the final color. This might be my new go-to, who freaking knows? Okay guys, so I'd appreciate it if we could all ignore my hair. It looks grim, but I'm actually kind of obsessed with this face tan. I added another layer before I went to sleep. I cannot lie to you guys. Fair enough, it's a little bit lighter around here, but that's probably because I didn't apply it that much around my eyes. A little bit darker on my chin, but that's probably because I applied too much. But yeah, here is what the tan is looking like after I've washed it off. Also, did not transfer at all, like anywhere. When I like rinsed it off just in the shower with like some hot water, a lot of the time a lot of it will come off. Not a lot of it came off, but like in a good way. Like it looks really even and I'm here for it. So I'm really obsessed with this tan. Even my mum was like, your tan looks better than normal. But yeah, I'm going to move on to the next stage of my glow up. Tan complete. Woo! Hello. Oh, frick me, my head does look worse than I even thought it did. Like, I knew my hair looked bad, but I didn't realize it was like this. Yeah, so we are now moving on to phase, I was about to say phase 2, it's phase nails, tan. I'm doing hair now, phase 4. I was actually planning on plucking my eyebrows as well, but I'm kind of wanting them to grow out a little bit at the moment. I haven't been plucking them that much, and I haven't been feeling like I need to. So, you know, skip that step. If you guys want to pluck your eyebrows to make you feel more like you're glowing up, then, you know, go for it. But I'm kind of happy with mine at the moment. Anyway, I haven't even brushed my hair this morning, so that's probably the first step. I normally do my makeup before my hair, but today I'm doing my hair before my makeup because I'm gonna put it in a ponytail and it will just keep it out my face. And when I do a slick back ponytail, normally my face goes a bit like this. I always like to see how like the ponytail affects my face before. Also, I wanna do my ponytail because I just bought like a whole ponytail. I can't lie, I did order it online and I shade matched myself. It's not perfect, it's a bit more cool toned, but I think it's pretty decent, you know. It's a little bit darker as well, but we can definitely get away with it. Just gonna brush out any potential knots. We're gonna go for the ponytail, so let's do this thing. Woohoo! My mirror's just here, so I know you guys can see it in the little camera thing, but I need to use it, so yeah. Let's do this thing, let's do this thing. I'm just gonna like brush it through first of all. My face is going red. This is a workout. If you don't feel like your hair is like pulling your head, then it's not tight enough. So obviously there's a little bump. So what I like to do is I like to hairspray it and then just like smooth it down. Normally I will take hair clips, but I think I'm all out of them, so I'm just gonna try with the spray. So I'm gonna take another hairband just to make sure that it's all as tight as possible. Okay, let's just try this. So what, do we just like, how are we doing this? Do we go from the bottom? Maybe it's from the bottom.
There's a grip in it, but I don't know what you're supposed to do with the grip.
Well, this is going well. Ow, ow, Velcro. Ow.
How the hell am I supposed to do this?
Do you know what, guys? I'm going to quickly do this off camera because it's wasting up way too much memory, and I'll be back with you guys in literally once I figure out how to do this. So here's the ponytail. I think it looks alright for my first attempt. But anyway, I had to get Julie to like hold the ponytail whilst I wrapped it round. It was a stress, to say the least. I don't want to take too long applying my makeup. I do it in literally every video. I'm just moisturising quickly. I think I just got moisturised in my eye. I'm just gonna leave it for a bit if it keeps bothering me. We should be moisturised. Also, my mirror's here, just so you guys know. I'm not looking at you guys, I'm just looking in at myself because I'm vain, woohoo! I really don't want to spend long doing my makeup. I might end up doing it TikTok style, like foundation. Foundation done. I also put on concealer because I forgot about the way that I was not trying to make this clip long. I'm gonna take a little bit of cream bronzer. I'm taking my Laura Mercier powder. I always blend out my under eyes again before setting it, you know, just to prevent creases. I always like pack it into my smile lines as well because, you know, I don't want those old lady lines. I'm gonna go for my Morphe E27, which has been used and abused. This was like the old Elite collection, and it's like literally the thing came off, so I had to tape it together. And I'm taking the cream bronzer that I use like over my eyelid. I was like, I'm gonna do this as a TikTok. That failed. Cream bronzer. Oh my god, it's magically on my eyeballs. Who would have guessed? I'm now just gonna take some actual bronzer. This is my Marc Jacobs one. I don't want a heavy look today. I'm really not feeling heavy makeup at the moment, guys. I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter over my eyelid. Cool. These are my eyelids. Hello, eyelids. Say hi. Say hi, eyelids. Also, if you can hear any drilling, that's actually coming from my back garden. I'm just gonna take a dark brown eyeshadow on like the outer part of my eye. Just like that. This ponytail is so tight, it's giving me a headache. Give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna do my brows and my mascara because I never do those on camera anyway. And then I will come back with you guys. See you guys in a minute. Okay, so eyebrows and lashes are done. I just put mascara on because I'm not really feeling lashes at the moment, you know. Let's add bronzer, baby. This is the Marc Jacobs one again. Just gonna blend the bronzer up into my hairline because, you know, we don't really want the white scalp coming through. We want to pretend like, you know, we're naturally tan. The transformation is almost complete. I have a whole fake hair on my head. I am golden brown. I have no upper lip hair. My mustache is gone, and look at these nails. I want my other setting spray that I've left upstairs. Okay, so I want to go get my setting spray that's actually upstairs. I'm gonna quickly spray that on my face, and then I'm gonna come back with you to highlight because, you know, that's iconic. So 1 minute, please. My face is all sprayed and ready to go. Fenty Beauty highlighter and Hustler Baby Mean Money are my favorite. What's that song by Justin Bieber that's like, my favorite girl, my favorite girl. Guys, I hit pan. Okay, I'm just taking the Marc Jacobs bronzer just like over my eyelid again and just under my eyes. I can't open it. I'm too weak. Oh my god, why can't I open this? This is just some other Fenty Beauty highlighter. I have this bad thing where like I'll see mascara on my eyelid and just be like, yeah, that's just staying there, but today I'm actually going to take it off. So if that's not a glow up, I don't know what is. Okay, bottom lash mascara, and I'm going to do my lipstick off camera just because I don't have any with me down here. I'm also going to get changed. Okay, right, let me go do my lipstick and get changed, and I'll show you guys the final glow. I just knocked my moisturizer over and it's all over the floor. Why am I still recording? Gonna need to clean this up. Give me a minute. Stan airplanes ruining our audio. Yay. This is the final look, guys. My bodysuit is from House of CB. I got it in sale. There might be foundation on it. I don't know. This is from Sisters and Seekers, and these are from Topshop. They're just black mom jeans. This is my outfit. I'm kind of living for it. Like, it's kind of cute. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I glowed up. This was me at the beginning. And this is me now. What do you think? I think I glowed up. I like this hair. I think, honestly, I think the tan and the hair made it, and obviously the nails. My nails did need a glow up. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you leave it down in the comments below. Yeah, I love you guys so much. All my social medias are in the description box down below as well. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. Make sure to share this video as well if you did enjoy it. And that is it. I will see you in my next upload. I love you guys. Bye. I actually had loads of fun filming this video, so yeah, I'm gonna shut up now. But anyway, love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Oh, also, before I go, actually, this lipstick was Velvet Teddy and then like a lip gloss from Anastasia over the top. For anyone else me, that was it. So yes, bye now.